guys, for this video, I was supposed to discuss with you things regarding tires. But then again, I came across a comment. So this person, she's actually a friend of mine. She's asking me kung ano daw yung nasa loob ng car ko, and what's inside my car, and why did I choose the car that I'm driving right now. So it got me thinking, oh nga no, I mean, what's inside my car? Honestly, I don't know. I mean, yeah, let's see later. See you at the... So, what do we have here? Well, on my passenger seat, there's nothing. And then, sa likod naman, yeah, there's like my mom's eyeglasses and some papers. So there's really nothing in my car. I don't leave stuff. And for the compartment, what do we have? Yeah, I think it's just the manual and like the ORCR and stuff like that. So yeah, there's really nothing in my car. I don't think I like to leave stuff. We can check the compartment behind and we'll see, maybe I have something in there. Alright, so I still have like some shopping bags from last night, some clothes, and what's this one? Coffee bean. But I don't really drink coffee. It's probably something else. Yeah, cookie butter powder. And yeah, my gym shoes, my workout shoes that I never use, and some bridal shower stuff, and Tom Tom's body whatever. So yeah, there's really nothing in the trunk of my car. Nothing also on the inside, but you know what my mom left and what my nieces left probably. So that's it. That's what's inside my car. Back in the office, and yeah, I'm as surprised as you as to the nothingness of the inside of my car. See, I'm not really the type of person who leaves her stuff inside the car. I just don't feel like my things are safe, even if it's like just in the garage or like on a paid parking. I always want to bring it with me, and that's why I have a huge bag so I can put all the stuff that I need in there. So anyway, to answer the second question, why did I choose that car? Why did I choose the Ford Mustang? Well, you're gonna find it really shallow as to the reason behind it, because, okay, honestly, growing up, I wanted to have a muscle car. And because I've been surrounded by cars all my life since this had been our family business ever since. So, yun nga, I thought I'd buy a Dodge Challenger, pero it's so expensive and I couldn't afford it at the time. So I'm like, ano kaya yung pwede na almost similar and will give me the satisfaction of, you know, having a muscle car. So I've decided to get a Ford Mustang, and I only got the 2.3 because of the price. And it is, as compared to the 5.0, I feel like it's more economically friendly. Also, I can save up a little bit more because of the gas consumption. And yeah. But if you're going to ask me on tips on if you're planning to buy a car or, you know, eyeing a certain vehicle to purchase, I would say dapat meron kayong criteria. So for me now, first would be the suspension. So I know there are a lot of brands, sobrang dami, diba? But there are certain brands naman that puts their energy and their effort and their technology on the suspension. So I'd go for that. And then second would be the seating capacity, since I don't have my family of my own. I don't have kids yet, and it's just me and my partner and the dogs. So yeah, it's not really on top of my priority. And third would be the design. So yeah, I know the first time I did it, it was the design. But it's not that I'm complaining about my car. I love my car. I love the power, I love the speed, I love everything about it. But as for everybody else who's planning to buy, I suggest that you should make yourself a list of criteria that you'd want for your purchase, just for you to get the value of your money. So I hope this video helped anybody, or anyone, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye. I hope you can subscribe on my channel, and if you do so, please hit the bell button so you won't miss any of my videos. Bye.